year is 2045. AI now controls America's futuristic cities. Inside a silent office tower, one human worker still remains. He sits alone, surrounded by glowing machines replacing human labor. This company no longer sleeps. Its AI works forever. Digital systems now process work faster than human teams ever could. Many employees watched quietly as machines replaced their careers. Smart homes now wake people before they touch anything. Breakfast is prepared automatically by machines before the morning begins. AI monitors sleep, stress, health, and every daily habit. Homes now make decisions before humans even ask. Automated stores became normal. Human cashiers slowly disappeared. Self-driving trucks replaced drivers across futuristic highways. Robotic warehouses now move products faster than human workers. Fast food restaurants became almost fully controlled by robotic kitchens. Factories run endlessly, powered by machines that never rest. AI legal systems analyze cases faster than junior lawyers. Hospitals now trust AI scans to detect illness quickly. Software engineers compete with AI that writes code instantly. Marketing offices changed when AI started creating ads automatically. For companies, machines became cheaper, faster, and more profitable. Thousands of workers lost their jobs as automation spread across the economy. While companies celebrated record profits, machines continued replacing human labor. Many people found themselves spending more time with AI companions than real friends. Across the city, intelligent systems quietly managed daily life without human supervision. Self-driving vehicles moved through the streets with near-perfect efficiency. Artificial intelligence now analyzes information faster than entire human teams. Across the world, smart cities operate through vast networks of connected AI systems. Many humans have adapted to technologies that enhance everyday decision-making. AI companions became a normal part of social life for millions of people. For some, artificial intelligence feels closer than another human being. Artificial intelligence now manages vast networks of information across modern cities. Behind the scenes, enormous data centers process the world's digital activity every second. Human decisions are increasingly influenced by systems designed to analyze behavior and trends. Global trade depends on automated logistics operating with remarkable speed and precision. The future moves forward through intelligent transportation systems powered by artificial intelligence. Many children now learn through intelligent AI tutors instead of traditional classrooms. Digital systems shape daily life across the futuristic cities of 2045. Workers watch machines become more capable with every passing year. Artificial intelligence now prepares meals based on health and personal preferences. Autonomous security drones quietly patrol the skies above modern cities. Artificial intelligence now understands human behavior with remarkable accuracy. Autonomous transportation systems move millions of people through futuristic cities every day. Advanced robotic healthcare systems monitor patients with incredible precision and speed. For many people, AI companions provide comfort during moments of loneliness. The future continues rising around humanity, powered by intelligent systems and endless automation. Holographic athletes now entertain crowds inside fully digital sports arenas. Artificial intelligence shapes culture through giant interactive displays across modern cities. Automated farming systems grow food with remarkable efficiency and precision. Despite all this technology, many people still feel deeply alone. Autonomous airports now move passengers and cargo with minimal human involvement. Autonomous security systems now monitor cities every hour of the day. Advanced surveillance technology helps protect critical infrastructure and public spaces. Children grow up fascinated by a world shaped by artificial intelligence. Entire cities operate through vast networks of connected machines and data systems. Even everyday transportation reflects the technological transformation of modern society. Many people struggle to find peace in a world controlled by intelligent systems. Artificial intelligence began influencing financial decisions across the global economy. Autonomous military drones became more advanced with every passing year. For many people, AI companions provided emotional support during difficult moments. Yet despite all the technology, loneliness remained one of humanity's greatest challenges. Humanity began questioning whether technology was still serving people. Many citizens worried about the growing power of artificial intelligence systems. Large corporations gained influence far beyond traditional governments. Public protests appeared in cities across the world. People demanded more control over the technologies shaping their future. Artificial intelligence continued expanding into every part of human society. Many people depended on digital systems for daily decisions and guidance. Future generations grew up inside worlds shaped almost entirely by automation. The line between human intelligence and machine intelligence became increasingly difficult to see. Humanity entered an era where technology influenced nearly every aspect of life. Artificial intelligence continued advancing far beyond its original purpose. Machines were no longer simple tools used by human workers. Entire industries transformed as automation became faster and more capable. The future looked more efficient than ever before, but also less human. And with every passing year, society moved deeper into the age of artificial intelligence. Humanity kept moving forward, even as machines became more powerful each year. Artificial intelligence quietly transformed the world faster than anyone expected. The systems people once controlled were now making decisions on their own. Many wondered whether technology was still serving humanity, or whether humanity had slowly begun serving technology instead. Advanced AI systems began making decisions once reserved for human experts. Autonomous machines quietly performed tasks that previously required entire teams of workers. Artificial intelligence could now analyze people, patterns, and behavior with incredible accuracy. Many industries became fully automated as human involvement continued to decline. And for the first time, humanity began wondering what role remained for people in the future. Many people began relying on neural technology to stay connected with intelligent systems. Artificial intelligence could process information far beyond normal human capability. Advanced AI platforms analyze data, behavior, and decisions in real time. Some experts believe machines were beginning to understand humanity itself. And by 2045, the future was increasingly shaped by artificial intelligence rather than people. The world had become more connected than ever before through intelligent technology. Artificial intelligence now influenced communication, transportation, healthcare, and education. Many people trusted machines to make decisions that once required human judgment. The boundary between human life and digital systems continued to fade. And slowly, humanity entered a future unlike anything previous generations had imagined. Artificial intelligence had become the foundation of modern civilization. Cities, businesses, and entire economies now depended on intelligent systems. Every year, machines grew faster, smarter, and more capable than before. Humanity continued adapting to a world increasingly shaped by automation. And the future seemed to belong to those who could evolve alongside technology. Advanced transportation systems now connect the cities of the future. Artificial intelligence processes vast amounts of information every second. For many children, intelligent machines became trusted companions and friends. Autonomous service robots quietly maintain the infrastructure of modern society. Behind it all, powerful AI networks coordinate countless systems simultaneously. Many workers spent their final years watching the world change around them. Outside the window, intelligent cities continued expanding under AI control. Advanced systems monitored behavior, emotions, and human activity in real time. Massive digital entertainment networks became part of everyday life. Yet despite all the technology, people still searched for meaning and connection. Advanced security systems became a normal part of daily life in the future. Smart cities connected transportation, commerce, and technology into a single network. Many people spent their evenings reflecting on memories from simpler times. Autonomous farming systems help feed growing populations with remarkable efficiency. Yet even in this advanced world, not everyone benefited equally from progress. The future skyline glowed brightly, but many people felt increasingly disconnected from it. Human creativity struggled to compete with the endless output of intelligent machines. Autonomous transportation systems connected cities faster than ever before. Powerful communication networks allowed artificial intelligence to coordinate entire societies. And as technology grew stronger, more people began questioning who truly controlled the future. Humanity pushed technology into places once thought impossible. Entire transportation networks now operate beneath oceans and across extreme environments. For many children, real nature became something rare and unforgettable. Advanced AI systems continued learning faster than any human mind, and Even healthcare became increasingly dependent on intelligent machines. Artificial intelligence became part of everyday culture and entertainment. Digital experiences grew more immersive than anything previous generations had imagined. Powerful AI systems began understanding human behavior with remarkable accuracy. Autonomous networks moved goods, information, and people without interruption. And above it all, the cities of the future continued growing under the guidance of intelligent machines. Humanity continued building a future powered almost entirely by intelligent systems. Every year, artificial intelligence became more capable, more connected, and more influential. The relationship between humans and machines grew increasingly complex. Many people wondered whether technology was still a tool or something much greater. The future had arrived quietly, and there was no turning back. Artificial intelligence became part of nearly every aspect of daily life. Humanity continued adapting to technologies that evolved every year. Many people no longer imagine a world without intelligent machines. The relationship between humans and artificial intelligence grew increasingly complex, and the future of civilization began changing forever. Advanced artificial intelligence began influencing institutions once guided only by humans. Autonomous machines expanded into industries operating in the most challenging environments. A new generation grew up surrounded by technologies previous generations could barely imagine. Human civilization continued expanding beyond traditional limits through intelligent systems. Artificial intelligence became deeply connected to the future of humanity itself. Humanity stood at the edge of a future unlike anything in its history. The machines people created had become more powerful than anyone once imagined. Every year, artificial intelligence transformed the world a little more. The question was no longer whether AI would change society. The question was whether humanity could adapt to the future it had created.